Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the keyboard and preparing the iPad. Turn the Zagg on, set its mode to Bluetooth or smart connector, and confirm it has charge. Low power prevents pairing. On the iPad, open Settings Bluetooth and keep the list visible so you can watch devices appear. Once done, position the keyboard near the iPad, and if there's a dedicated pairing button, press it now to make the Zagg discoverable so the iPad can find it immediately. Next, pair or attach the keyboard. If using Bluetooth, tap the Zagg device name on the iPad and watch for a numeric code. Type that code on the keyboard and hit Enter to complete pairing. If using the smart connector, align the keyboard's pins with the iPad's connector and let the magnet seat the keyboard. No pairing is required. Once connected, open Notes and type to verify key response, and check Settings General Keyboard to adjust layout or language, so keys match what you expect. Finish by confirming all functions work. Test Command, Option, Backlight, and shortcut keys in an app like Notes. Make sure the layout matches your iPad region. Install the Zagg app or firmware update when available to enable function keys and macros. If something fails, try this tip. Power cycle the keyboard and iPad, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, then repair. If problems persist, perform the keyboard's factory reset per its manual. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.